Hello, how are you? I'm Lana, and if you've got into this video, it's because you're looking for more information about one of the best-selling hair supplements in the United States. TressAnew. Yes, in this complete review of the supplement, I will show you if TressAnew really works, its benefits, ingredients, if its formula's natural and safe guarantee, and still stay until the end of this video because I need to give an important alert to you. Well, TressAnew is a supplement with 100% natural formula made only with natural ingredients such as vitamins and minerals that are important for our hair. Maybe you are going through one of the following hair problems like hair loss. Flawless hair does not grow is with brittle and dull strands. And the goal of hair supplement TressAnew is exactly to end and improve all these hair problems that affect both women and men. With its effective formula, the supplement makes all the replenishment of vitamins and minerals that your hair needs. Because one of the biggest factors that cause the growth of hair loss with dull and unhealthy appearance is the deficiency of vitamins. Therefore, the supplement contains in its formula all the necessary ingredients for you to make your hair treatment naturally. It has vitamins A, C, D, E, B complex, calcium, iron, biotin, zinc, magnesium, and other 100% natural components. To be honest, TressAnew comes to the real cause of female hair problems while other supplements do not. Because it increases blood flow to the follicles of the scalp. And once you have better blood flow, you will maintain and grow hair more accelerated and natural, soft, shiny and healthy. Some important questions: is the TressAnew supplement for everyone? As much as we want to say yes, TressAnew is not for women who suffer from alopecia, female baldness or other medical conditions that affect their hair. What is suggested is that you see your doctor is TressAnew safe. Yes, the ingredients in our formula are direct from nature and have been proven in hundreds of studies. You can use TressAnew with the confidence that it is effective. The only suggestion I have is if you are pregnant, talk to your doctor before using TressAnew. But then TressAnew really works. Hair takes time to grow. So you won't sprout a new head of hair overnight. However, you can have complete confidence that our formula's working from the first dose. Studies show that these ingredients work. It worked for me, family and friends, and thousands of other women already. Therefore, during the first few days or maybe even the first few weeks, remember that this formula works. So no matter what you see in the mirror, keep taking TressAnew daily. Most women begin to see exciting and visible results within 4 to 6 weeks. Which is why we recommend stocking the option of 3 or 6 bottles. Because even though it's great to try a bottle and see how it does, the longer you use the hair supplement, the better results you'll get. And how to take TressAnew: all you need to do is take 2 small, easy to swallow capsules in the morning or evening with water or whatever is best for you and easier to remember. And has guarantee SIM. You can be carefree because TressAnew has satisfaction guaranteed. That is 90 days warranty. If you are not satisfied with the results of the product and do not meet your expectations, you have your money back right. Manufactured in FDA-approved facilities in the States with GMP certification. That is 100% safe for us. A very important warning for you: to avoid scams or buy a fake product, buy only on the official website of the manufacturer TressAnew. It is not sold on sites with Amazon or eBay. TressAnew is sold only on the official website, and to help you, the official website link is below in the description of this video, right? Therefore, this is the information of the hair supplement TressAnew, a 100% natural and safe supplement that provides all the benefits to our hair with faster hair growth, reduces hair loss, leaves hair softer, shiny and healthy. Any questions? Leave in the comments, and remembering that the official website of TressAnew is in the description below this video. Thank you for your attention.